Hi guys, I want to talk to you a minute about the NutriBullet and being able to utilize an abundance of your cucumbers, which has a high level of alkaline, because it's green, which helps with managing your glycemic intake. There's not a lot really that you can do with cucumber. Besides eating it fresh, having that cucumber sauce. But I like to freeze them up and put them into our little shakes here. They're very hydrating. They freeze extremely well. They will not overpower anything. If you just make a shake of just cucumber, then yeah, that's all you're going to be able to taste is just that cucumber. But when you're adding it to bananas, and I've also got over here some peaches and some mandarin oranges, that's just going to recede into the background, and you are going to gain the benefits of those properties. I also like to have a lot of that in my shakes when I don't feel well. When you have something like a cold or the flu and you know you're dehydrated, it has a lot of hydration property to it. At the very bottom, you can't see, I didn't really put a lot of it in here, but I went ahead and I used some of this lettuce that was about to go bad. So freezing your lettuce or your spinach is excellent to use with these bullets or in soups, or also scrambling with your eggs. So sorry. So I just wanted you to know how you could use up some of those cucumbers or store them for later. So once the weather breaks and those cucumbers start coming in, and they usually come in pretty fast, pretty furious, and you kind of, oh my God, what am I going to do with all these? This is a very viable option that works and stores very well. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day, and please like and subscribe.